Everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Just wanted to go over with you, that's part of the goodie package for crypto, something called bid ask log. These are all of the coins that I watch via Kraken, and as you can see, they're all against US dollar. The nice thing about this, and this is pretty well a sure shot way of confirming and using market direction. So here, what I measure is every hour I create this log that will give you total ask quantity and total bid quantity on Kraken at that time when this is created. And I do it for every single coin that matters that I watch or will potentially trade. As a result, when you have more ask volume than bid volume, you can confirm that the price will be driven up. And then the reverse, when there's more bid versus ask, there's going to be price driven down, so it becomes either a long or a short opportunity or a long opportunity. On top of that, I can measure the rate of change percent-wise over the last 4 hours. So this is just another measurement that you can use for the speed of the change, if it's long or short. The other big thing that you will see is what I call long-short ratio, which is just basically the ask divided by the bid, which gives you a ratio. So the stronger the ratio, for instance, Litecoin at 2.6 is much higher than, let's say, REP-USD or XLM, which is Stellar, or any of these other ones. And the same thing can be said for, as I said in reverse, like GNO-USD. That's obviously a short opportunity, and that's pretty steep negative long-short ratio or bid-ask ratio. So this is one of those files that are really good to know about. So if I go into TradingView and look at, let's say, Litecoin USD right now, since this file was just generated, hopefully I'll be able to show the ratio of intraday trading opportunity, and we can measure price. So right now, as this loads, you can see right now the performance that I've talked about up until April, May. But here's a one-day view. So we have a very strong buy right now, and we can also look at the one-day view as well. And this just confirms the theory that this works, and this does work. I won't never say guaranteed, but the highest likelihood I've seen of being able to confirm market direction for that particular asset or instrument that you're watching. So this is why using this methodology for crypto, among the ones that I watch here, the ones I list here, this is a great need where you can kind of throw away all the other technical indicators, because this is in real time. This is another way to verify market direction. If you did watch my hour and 3/4 video, you will notice that you could just use this as well as the Fibonacci price target levels for any momentum change to do potential human discretionary type of trading, just alone on those two data points, and that's all you need. So this is why if you don't want to go through the technical analysis, you don't need to. You could just use this on top of the Fibonacci levels for price targeting with Fibonacci levels. Hopefully this will help you out. Talk to you later.